All right, Green Thumb Gardening family. In today's video, this morning's video, I should say, we're going to be harvesting another round of Alabama blue collard greens from here in our fall garden. As I walk you guys down between these two rows, you can see our Alabama blue collard greens have once again produced some nice, beautiful, healthy, gigantic leaves for us here in our fall garden. Most of you guys out here currently watching this video and currently following our channel are fully aware of the fact that we both garden organically out here. So what you see here is the results of us using only organic fertilizer here in our fall garden. We have a lot more brassicas out here other than just Alabama blue collard greens. We have Brussels sprouts that we recently popped in right here. We got 2 rows of Brussels sprouts right here. We've got more Brussels sprouts right here, down past those tomatoes. We've got purple top turnips here. We have rutabagas here. We have big leaf mustards here. We also have broccoli that we just popped in down here in these rows down here. And we have collard greens that we popped in on these 2 rows down here. Although I am facing to the sun, it's hard to see what we have going on here. We have 2 long rows of broccoli and 2 long rows of, again, collard greens here that we just popped into our fall garden. And at this point, I'm probably going to pause this camera for a minute, go down through these rows. You see we have quite a few greens. I think we have about 40 Alabama blue collard green plants here. I'm going to go down through these rows, remove the harvest ready leaves, and we'll bring you guys back at the end of this video and show you the totality of today's harvest. Hang tight. All right, Green Thumb Gardening family, we're back. As I walk you down amongst these same 2 rows, you guys are going to notice that our plants look a lot different after the harvest than they did prior to the harvest. We came down these rows, we harvested all of the hand size or larger leaves from our Alabama blue collard green plants here. And this Green Thumb Gardening family, this is the totality of this morning's harvest of Alabama blue collards from our fall garden. Take a look at this. Bam! Are these some lovely looking collard green leaves or what here, Green Thumb Gardening family? This is our 3rd consecutive harvest from our plants out there in our fall garden. We're super excited to be bringing you guys along for this harvest. Thanks for watching. And if indeed you do currently find yourself watching this video on our 3rd consecutive harvest of Alabama blue collard greens from our fall garden, and not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, Green Thumb Gardening family, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, harvesting Alabama blue collard greens from our fall garden. Thanks for watching.